Good afternoon. So this is the computation for the additional source of income in your establishment. So for example, in this study, we will be having their chocolate bar. So they just estimate on how many jars are being sold or will be sold for a day. So of course, it depends upon the number of or the days of the week, such as if it's Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday. But if it's for Friday to Sunday, and if it's holiday, of course, the number of the needed chocolate bar increases. Okay, so that's also what you will do. So if you are going to have your additional source of income, make an estimate or a projection, sales projection annually, so you can use this format. No? So for this one, the way on how they compute it is that uh, in order for them to get the estimated daily gross sales. Okay, so they just multiply the average check. Okay, so they just multiply the average check and the number of the jars. Okay, and then they have this estimated daily gross sales. In order to project for annual gross sales for each day, you need to know how many Mondays are there in a year, but you should exclude the number of days in the holidays. Okay, so just exclude the Mondays of the holidays so that you have the total or the exact number of 365 days in 1 year. Okay, so again, in order to get the projected daily gross sales, you need just to multiply the estimated gross sales to the number of days. So that's for uh, every day. Okay, and then once you get the results, uh, you will just total it. So you have this amount. So again, this one, okay, so this are the number of days, no, specific days that you are projecting. Okay, so if, also if you have other source of income, like in this one, they have their merchandise. So they just added markup percentage. This is the supplier price, and they just added 35% markup. So they have the total amount, no? And then they have this total amount, and then they have this selling price. Okay, so you know how to have the selling price, since you know how to have your menu costing. Okay, so for this one, you also need just to total all of the merchandise, and then you will get here this. No, so this is multiplied to 12 months because again the projection is 1 year. Okay, so if you also have rentals, function room, or conference areas, or other area in your establishment that is for additional source of income, you can also have its projection. So for this case, we enter a function room. Okay, so they have the coverage, no, what is included on the function room, and then the amount. Okay, and then for example, of course, the function is usually lasted for a day. You just have the estimated gross sales or monthly gross sales, no? That is equals to the average check. And then for to get the projected annual, you will just multiply it to 12. And then you have the total projected annual sales. For example, you have the function room, and then you have all of those sources of income as a total. So that will be your total projected sales. Okay, so that's it for the projected sales.